Fluffies! This is 6 months after I opened the box with you of the production of Fluffy Tori, and the feedback that I got from this video made me want to do more dresses, like reorder some stock and such. This is it, but you can see by my tone I'm not so much looking forward to that. Let's see why. Okay, it is so neatly packaged that I have to show you. Right. It's really cool how they packaged it. So, let's see that. So, why am I not that happy? Because I thought that after the first part, the first round of sample, resample, first order, then the rest would be so easy, but then I still had to spend hours to calculate how many lace, what lengths of lace I needed. You need to think about everything, about all the buttons, all the zips, all the length of this lace, how much fabric for this part, all of that. And we ordered the JSK, the OP, we made a skirt that I think we did not do in the first round, and then Princess Layer, but Princess Layer is not there yet. And you think you spend so much time researching everything and placing the order, and after we made the reservation we sold a few dresses, but the idea was to have a lot of stock. But after I place the order, it's normal that the agent or the factory have questions, but you don't expect them to have questions 3-4 months after you given them the order, because that means that they have not done nothing for all that time, and it was so frustrating. And so I worked a lot on that to place the order, and then when they asked me several months after, it was not fresh in my head, so I had to went back and look and answer the question, and it went like that for the last 6 months almost. And so I'm actually happy, because in February we opened the pre-order, something like that again, and we said, oh well, probably be ready in the fall, and we're still in September, still in summer. And actually there was COVID-19 and a bunch of problems with shipping and factories everywhere, but we managed to be quicker than we announced before, so I'm shocked. So that's cool. It's nice and all that they all packaged it like that very beautifully with a very good ribbon that I paid to make my dresses. Why would they use that as a packing? And now it's all, I don't know, squished. I don't want to feel like this is bad, but I don't know. I feel as much demoralized than I was at the first video that I did, even though I have dresses and they look good. Oh, and I think they fixed stuff, like this one was too thick and now it's thinner. They actually did something. Am I being too sarcastic? I don't know. My dresses, they're here, they look amazing. And we have a few orders, and also, yeah, I asked them, let's see if they've done that, to remove all the loose threads that I had to remove myself last time. I think they quite did. I saw that because there was one here, but that's it. They're very well packaged, and there are no loose threads. It's still a little bit wrinkled, but like any other dress, I would say. And okay, something else that made me so mad at the factory. So basically, I'm actually working this time with an agent who works with several factories, which is good because they can give the order to different factories. So if one factory is better at doing something than the other one, but turns out I maybe miscalculated the quantity of fabric needed for the dresses, and I did not order enough fabric, just like not enough for one dress, so maybe it was missing between 1 and 3 meters of fabric out of hundreds of meters. So I gave them the order, and on my order sheet there was written the stock that I wanted in small, in medium, in large, and the custom orders if they had like custom measurements needed. And on the side I also wrote if any of those stock base SML sizes were already ordered by someone. It was written on the side. And what they did, the factory, they made all the different dresses starting by small, medium, and then large, and then realized that they're missing just fabric to make one dress, and there was a custom sizing dress. If I had ordered everything and realized that we don't have enough fabric, but at least the custom fabric, the custom sizes, or the one size that the customer ordered was made, and then I had to say, but maybe make one less of the small size, that would be good. But here they made all the dresses, all the stock, except the two ones that I needed the most that were custom sized for customers. This is so stupid. Why would they start with all the other ones except for this one? I don't know. I was so mad, and I'm still mad at stuff like that every week with them. And now I got the dresses, so then I guess I'm transmitting to the dresses how mad I am to make dresses, but that's sad because I want you to feel happy about those amazing dresses and the one that I'm wearing, and I want you to buy them, especially because that was a pain to make them. So you requested them more. I have more sizes in all the colorways, in all the cuts. So those are the OP. No! OP, OP. OP. No, wait, some of them are JSKs, I'm sorry. So, JSKs. I'm very happy about the packaging and everything. So, actually, that looks very good. Very good. And here are the skirts. I think we only have 1 or 2 skirts. Maybe 1 skirt. No, everything's falling. No, that's fine. 1 skirt in the day colorway, 1 skirt in the night colorway. So if you want one, hurry up. And this is another JSK. I will count and check all the sizes again. On the website I had written what I had ordered and made them as pre-order. So at the moment, when this video will release, they will be in stock. So you will only see the stock that I have here, and probably, like we said last time, probably will not make more. The goal was at some point to make a very simple cut dress, and that we could use the same pattern to make different prints on that, but having a very basic simple dress. So I don't know if maybe we will do that, and if we will maybe start making other patterns. But the production itself, I thought it would be easier the other time, but all the stress and all the mental burden of having to think about everything, this is so hard. So if we sell a few pins, we make as much margin as if we do in one dress, because they're so expensive to make, and we don't make a lot of money with that. So maybe we'll keep making pins and no dresses. I don't know. I know that you guys want to see dresses, but then you don't buy them. So I know it's exciting to make dresses, but we do have to pay bills and eat too. So yeah, let's think about things that sell and that are easy to sell, like pins maybe. We're working on making tights and socks too. I don't know where the sock sample are. Maybe I can show you that later. And yeah, maybe that's easier to make. Okay, let's open the colorway, the day colorway. Same, a nice little package of tight with a very cute mint ribbon. I should be so happy. Why am I not happy? Oh, I'm sorry. I should be so happy. Dresses here. Yay. I just hope that we end up selling them at some point because they're so cool, and I don't want to be mad against my dresses again. I want to be happy about how cool these dresses look. Yeah, I'm very actually proud to have made that, and that they are formed in something. I think Mezzo, the designer, said that one of the best memory of working for Fluffy Tori was when she got the first thing that she made in 3D in her hands, like a dress or whatever it was. I think the first thing we ever did were dresses. So yeah, she was really happy about that, and I think I'm very happy about having dresses too. And as you can see, it's not that much of a stock. It's like 10 of each, and then we have maybe the same quantity for Princess Leia that will come later. Maybe I think we have more pre-orders for Princess Leia than these ones, because these have already been ordered and sold, but we did not sell that many yet. So yeah, I think this time we will really get rid of all this stock before we can ever think about redoing it again. And the last one is a coat, and since it's almost already open, let's open it. Let me show you the coat. It's a custom order, and I offered custom sizing for free for the coat that we received, and it's the fluffy coat, so it has the fur underneath, and I really like this fabric. It's so soft, and yeah, it has a hook, all the cool things, and it has some detachable bows on the wrists and on the chest that you can put where you want, or on the back, and the pockets. And yes, I think it's very cute, very cute. So this is the Sax blue coat, and this is a customer order, so I'm so happy that I can ship it even already in summer, and that this person will have it for winter and not wait like in the middle of winter to receive their coat. That was sad last time. So actually I'm not that sad yet, because I know they will ship me another box, and this is good. Everything that I saw so far is good. I don't know. If you want to see the dress opened and everything, you can go to the other video that I will link, and then you will see more of that. But I wanted you to have my reaction to what it was to open my second box of dresses. Okay, also this one, last time what I did, I personally ordered all the buttons, the ribbon, everything, and had it shipped to the factory. And this time I told them what I wanted to buy, and they bought it themselves, and that was a little bit easier, because then I did not have some of them shipped to the factory, some of them shipped to me by error and such. So that was a little bit easier, but then I spent, I think the first bill that I paid was 1,500. Just, it was everything except the printed fabric. So all the button, all the lace of the ribbon, all the zippers, all the lining, all the fabric for Princess Leia, all of this was already so expensive. And then I paid a second bill for all that, and then the rest will be Princess Leia. And we are making wrist-cuffs for Princess Leia, because something that we have the most trouble to do is make lace. We made lace for the first ever collection that we did, and it went super well 4 years ago, and now it's so difficult to make lace. They want me to order like 1,000 meters of lace, which I can't, because that's 300 dresses. I don't know, way too many. And yeah, so we made ruffled chiffon wrist cuffs that will come in the next order, and in many colors, so I'm excited for that, because at the booth the wrist cuffs are something that sell quite well, and that's very cute. And also I will hope to get back all the samples this time. We'll see. So let me show you the socks that we're working on. So of course they were not supposed to be like bright green, almost neon green. They were supposed to be mint, and so that's an issue we are working with the factory. And but so far I think I'm kind of happy about how it looks, and they're really like knit socks. So you can see it's all knit together, and those are actually also my suppliers of cheerleading apparel. So they are the sports tights, sports socks, I guess. So they are super thick but also super stretchy, so it works quite well. And we were able to write Fluffy Tori here. So we are working on a few designs like that, and I think I'm very happy about how it looks so far. So this is just a sample. We are working on refining it, but this is way easier to be working with a manufacturer that I have been working with for years, maybe like 10 years, and I know how to work with them. They tell me their quantity and it works, and yeah, that's easier than trying so many different factories and not having it work. So yeah, I hope that you're excited for the future of Fluffy Tori. We will see if we will end up making more dresses. If that's the question that you want to answer here, I cannot tell you anything, because last time I said no and then we did this. But also, you know what, we did order more because we were supposed to go to Royal Vegas retreat in the US in November, and now it's September, and I'm so happy that we would have had all the stock that we needed if we went there, but we are not until next year because of COVID. So yeah, I'm actually so happy about how quick the factory made the dresses this time. So that's that. So that's why we ordered more, to have something to sell at the big event. And so I don't know how many more big events we will see in the future. Maybe not that many, but you can also order from the website. And if you are one of my patron or member of the channel here on YouTube, you will find some of the tiers have 15% off the website Fluffy Tori. So you know what, I'm also throwing it now. Look in the description, you will have a code for free shipping. If you want to order from this video, you can order with free shipping, or you can use your own code for 15% off. Oh, which one is more interesting, you will see if you are a member or a patron. And if you're not, you can always become one and take advantage of this discount. So yeah, look at the description for the code to have free shipping, and please consider buying my dresses to help me pay my bills. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!